Let's see how you can create polls in your YouTube channel community page to get opinions from your YouTube users. So let's start the video. First, we need to log into our YouTube account. We need to go to channel community page. The simplest way is to click the create icon in the top bar and again, select create post from the menu, which will take us to the community page. Here, to create poll on YouTube, we have two kinds of polls, the image poll and the text poll. In this video, we will click the text poll option to create poll. In the text poll, we need to type in the poll question. I will ask a question to know more about what kind of topics people are interested to know. Next, in the options field, I will type in the topics of video that I usually create in my channel. Poll option 1, Facebook videos. Option 2, YouTube Studio videos, Instagram videos, Discord videos, and Twitter videos. And finally, when we are done entering all the options, we need to click the post button to publish the poll in channel community page. And you can see the poll has been published. When YouTube users select the options and give their opinion on the poll, this is how the poll results will look. When we revisit the YouTube community page, we will be able to see the poll options as a percentage in terms of popularity. More and more people want to watch videos on YouTube Studio and Discord. I am hoping this video will be useful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when we add new videos.